Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. Guys, this hoist deal is absolutely amazing, but it is a run today only deal you want to do. You're going to grab these for completely free and make some money. Let me show you how. Alright guys, so this deal got even sweeter. As you can tell, we have these hoist drinks here. They have the watermelon, the strawberry lemonade, the dragon fruit. They are regularly priced $2.19, but right now they are on sale for $1.69 all the way through September 12th. So you can grab this price like that. Now we have an Rebate rebate for $1 back on one, and then we have a Kroger cashback that does expire on the 20th. For $1 back on one. So that's going to make it completely free and a 31-cent moneymaker per bottle, and you can grab up to 5 of them for that. Now we could see it reload on the 21st for Kroger cashback and get 5 more for free. That would be amazing as well, but really excited about this deal. I'm definitely grabbing all 5 of these. Thank goodness I waited, but what an awesome deal. Completely free and a 31-cent moneymaker. Now the other thing I wanted to explain is I did have some people ask, where do you find these hoist drinks? They're actually found in my store in the sports drinks. This is some flavored water, like the vitamin water's below it, the Propel's below it. We've got the hint water above it, that type of thing. And if you look at the other side of the aisle, it's all the Powerade and Gatorade and all that good stuff. Now, if you're curious what exactly this is, it is a IV level hydration drink. So it's kind of, like water that has got some stuff in it that's going to be good for you to help keep you hydrated, that type of thing. Anyway, fairly new product. So if you're looking for it, definitely check it out in these sections, and you're going to grab these for free and make 31 cents per bottle. So cool.